I'm not in the union, but I'm going to get paid for this, right?
Today on 41 Garage, we're going to unbox the DJI Mavic 3.
Welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally grilling, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.
Awesome. So this is my sister-in-law, Susan. She's down for a visit, and
Jazz hands. Look at the jazz.
hey, if you like Jeeps, going on adventures, grilling, and jazz hands, this is the place for you. So she's for a visit. She's here for a visit, and I convinced her to jumping in on this video with me. I just got this DJI Mavic 3 in. We're going to unbox it and see how that goes. Today is November 11th. I think, if I remember right.
Happy Veterans Day.
Yeah, happy Veterans Day to all you guys.
Thank you for all who have served.
And so a week ago today, this was released, and I just got it in. FedEx, you gave my heart some worries there. It had it shipping all over Georgia before it made it its way up here, but it made it. So it came in hours ago. Susan can tell you how much I was stressing about getting it, but here it is. So let's get to open it up.
Do you want to save the box?
Well, let's not destroy it in case we have to send it back.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Hopefully we don't have to send it back. But we don't have to be super gentle either. Let me get this out of the way before somebody gets in it. So, like I said, it came from FedEx today. Ordered it a week ago. I've been seeing other people get theirs online, and super stoked to finally get this. Do you need is there a tab right there that needs to be cut?
Is. Right.
So let's get this tab. Let's open her up, see what we got inside. Ooh. So it's just got these little clips on the side that I can open up. Oh man, they're nice metal clips too. They're not the usual cheap plastic ones.
So it looks like this can be a backpack as well.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's pretty. Are you serious? That's cool.
I think so. So you've got these down here.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And you've got, ooh, that was really loud. I think there are some straps that come down and you can use it as I think.
Okay. That's pretty awesome.
We'll have to investigate.
Yeah. So I'm going to open up this top section here. Oh yeah, here's the straps. So it is, you can convert it to a backpack if you want it.
Here you go, right here. Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
First we have this box here. Guides. Yeah.
Guides for other people, definitely not you.
Yeah. And then we got this little doodaddy, which appears is going to be our charger.
Sorry for all the crinkling.
Oh, you're fine. It's all good. Yeah, so this is the charger port. So I do want to point out I bought the Fly More combo, which comes with extra batteries. So then, of course, we have our batteries. There's one. There's two. We got two. Oh, this is the controller. There's probably one. This is part of the charging device. Yeah. And look at this. Down in the case, they even have slots for all your batteries and the controller. This is nice soft felt. Oh, it feels so good.
Ooh, pretty.
So now let's get to the meat and potatoes of what we came here for.
I like meat and potatoes.
Well, I did skip over the controller. One thing I was wondering about is this controller, is it universal or will it fly the Mini or other DJIs? Because it looks just like the one I have for the Mini. So here is the Mavic 3. Let's see if we can figure out how to unleash the beast.
Release the Kraken.
And got a nice little bra that comes off like so. Protect your gimbal. And opens up just like any other Maverick. And it looks like it's coming alive.
Wow.
So there she is. On the back, here's the battery. Pops right out. So I think back here is where your memory cards go, but I'm not sure how to even open that up yet.
You know, maybe those manuals are for us. That might be why they included them.
You can see all the extra sensors it has. And look at that camera. Let's see what it is. That thing's beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
So what are some of the perks to this camera? Like why, you were telling me like it could follow you or it can track you?
Yeah, in the DJI app, there's the tracking feature where you can lock in on a target and will follow you. And this new camera, it'll even let you have optical zoom on there. What else?
Can it make a good cup of coffee?
It should for the price, right? So just to give a reference, this is kind of where we're at. It's about 16 inches across.
Oh, that's without the blades?
Yeah, with the blades tucked in. And then roughly 12 inches. So not too big. And supposedly has 45-minute flight time. This is, again, the Mavic Pro. You can get the Cinema Edition, which has a built-in 1 terabyte SD card and a lot of other features. So anyways, we're going to get it registered. It's raining today, so I don't know how much flying we're going to get to do. And we're going to take it out this weekend for sure. Okay, so I got the batteries plugged in. It's the smart charger where it starts at one and works its way through the other. If, for example, 2 of these were charged and 1 was low, or even 2 were low, it just basically takes the one with the least amount of charge and then works its way up to the one with the most amount of charge. So we'll see how long it takes. What time is it right now?
It is 2:23.
So it's about 2:23. We'll see how long it takes to get full charge on all 3 of these. And in the meantime, we're going to go get our drone registered so we can get it in the air.
If one blade goes out, do you replace all 4 like you might do with tires? Or do you just replace the one blade?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So I think they recommend that if you're going to replace one, you replace them all. I don't think it's quite necessary if it's just a little damage to one versus the others are physically look okay. But
yeah,
it's one of those. If you're going to do one, you should do them all.
And then what do you use the filters for? So if these are...
So those are ND filters, and what they're used for is so you can change your exposure in bright light to bring in some of the extra richness of the whatever you're shooting, right? Okay. So it's basically like putting sunglasses in front of your lens to help you open the exposure up so it doesn't get blown out by the light.
And if you didn't get these with this package, can you buy these separately?
As far as I know, they don't. That's a really good question. I'm glad you asked that. That's a really good question. I knew there's a reason I hired her.
I'm not going to get paid for this money.
As far as I know, there's nobody else that makes those ND filters for the Mavic Pro, or I keep calling it Mavic Pro, for the Mavic 3 yet.
Okay.
DJI is the only one that has the ND filters at this point. I'm sure there's going to be at some point some people coming out with their own.
Okay.
So then the one thing we kind of skipped over is with our controller, right? Looking at it, it appears to be the same one that is on all the other DJI products. Like I have the Mini 2, same thing. But the kit also came with the extra cord so you can hook up to your iPhone or the different USB-C connections for iPad or whatever it is you're going to connect to. So I think we have everything covered. Here she is. She's a beauty. We need to come up with a name for her. Don't know yet. If you got any suggestions, put something in the comments. Make it nice. Make it PG-13. That's all we ask.
Well, it does have a name. Who's that? Mavic 3?
Mavic 3.
Oh, there's no R in it.
I say Maverick, but it's Mavic. So Susan is here for a visit, and her other sisters, Kim and Melissa, will be coming here soon. And I will be out on the road. We're taking
I can't
a Maverick.
imagine why you'd want to leave.
I do keep saying Maverick, don't I?
Yeah.
Talk to me, Goose.
That's what you should call it. Call it Goose.
I might just have to do that. But they're coming into town. I'm getting out of Dodge because I'm smart enough, and going to take this thing flying down somewhere in the hills of Kentucky. So we'll see. We're heading down there with a bunch of guys to the Daniel Boone Byway, and we're going to bring this down there and see what happens. So
that'll be fun.
That'll be awesome. Keep tuned to the channel for future videos from the Mavic.
Goose? No, we should call it Iceman.
And like, subscribe our videos. Say something about Susan so she'll come back.
Nice. Say something
nice so she'll come back and be on the channel again. I could use all the help I need.
On the channel?
Yeah, as you can tell.
That'll be good. Okay, well, let's get this plugged in.
So, until next time, we will see you. Boom!
Happy hour, drinks on me. All right.
Places, everyone, action. Okay. Hey, today on 41 Garage, we're going to...
Wait, do I have Oreo in my teeth? Because I ate a peanut butter Oreo.
Yeah, you do.
Do I really?
Yeah. She doesn't, but I just told her. That's funny. You don't have to... Okay, this is Susan, my sister-in-law, and if you watch our Terraflex video, which is going to be released tonight, you'll see that same exact scene play out with her sister, my wife.
If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally grilling, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, do.
Okay.
But we need to name her like something.
Like Barbara. Oh, you know, one of these episodes we should talk about how Pam drove into the gas station pump. Do you remember that?
No.
Oh. Okay, that's
that might have been a pre-Carl story.
Yeah, that might be a pre-Carl story.
See, this
she
is
gets
the beautiful
mad
thing.
every time we stay.
Here we go.
This is the beautiful thing about having family come by.
Yeah. I pity the fool that does not subscribe.